Okay, let me tell you a little bit of what's going on in this project. Right here, I'm just testing out that all the lights do function and light up when you press the button. Next, I place it into set mode, where I'm able to set the duration of the flashing of each light. I do that with the potentiometer on the breadboard. This way I can speed it up or slow it down depending on what I need to do or what I want, what kind of effect I want to get. Here I'll demonstrate a little bit of what it looks like when you do change it. Here I have much slower flashing than I had before. And finally, I put it into calibration mode where I'm able to set the min and maximum of the potentiometer that also indicates how fast or slow the whole system works. Thanks for watching.